Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you're going to travel with the undulation. The first one would be a single step undulation. What do I mean by that is when you step on one step, you complete one undulation. Before we actually do the undulation with the step, I want you to actually try to do this. When you step on a leg, lift up the chest at the same time, all right? So as you step, you lift. So it's like you're doing a stretch, all right? So you go up, and then as you relax, bring the legs, the opposite leg, which is the left now, and to get ready for the next step, which is on the left now. So you stretch, lift up the chest, and relax the right leg, also the body, and up, relax, and up, relax. Step on the right, pick up the left leg. Step on the left, pick up the right leg. All right. Now, once you get used to this motion, let's try to add the undulation. So as you're relaxing your body, you actually do the undulation. So you step, lift up the chest, and undulate it down. As you relax the left leg. Step on the left, lift up the chest, undulation down. As you relax the right leg, prepare the left leg, relax the right. All right. When you're doing a traveling step here undulation, make sure you really put some strength on your undulation to really show the movements. Otherwise, your audience will only see some lifting and dropping. All right. So now for this single step undulation, you can also, instead of just relaxing the leg or waiting for the next step, you can also do a brush. All right. It's extending your leg. So it's like you're undulating from the body down to your leg. So your leg is basically going to come up from the thighs and then extend. Come back, lift and extend. All right. Now let's see how this works. So you start with the chest lift, roll it down, continue it down to the legs. Step and roll it down, continue to the legs. So from your pelvis, you extend. So push it out. As you bring it back, extend the leg. Step and extend. Step and extend. Now the second one is a two-step undulation. All right, which means in order to complete an undulation, you actually do 2 steps instead of 1. Okay, usually for this way of traveling, one of the leg will be in front of the other. So for example, you can start with the right leg. So you're going to step front and back, step front and back, step front. In order to change, you have to step front and then release the leg to change. So now I'm putting my left leg front now, back, front and back, front and back, front and change. So now let's just see how we do the 2-step with the undulation. All right, on the spot first. Okay, so it's the same as the single step. You focus on the lift and relaxing the body first. All right, you will step front with the lift and then relax to the back leg. Lift with the front leg and relax with the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and let's change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and change. You always change on the 2. All right. So now let's try to add the undulation. Usually when we do the 2-step, and even with the 1-step, it depends on you. For the 1-step, you can actually do flat-footed or you can do on a tippy toes. But for 2-step, it's very rare to see people do it on the flat foot. All right. So for the 2-step, try to do this on the tippy toes. Okay. So let's try with the undulation. Front with the chest lift, roll down to the back leg. Front with lift, roll down to the back leg. Front leg, back leg. Lift on the front leg, roll down on the back leg. Lift on the front leg, roll down on the back leg. Last one, I'm going to shift my left leg front. I'm still lifting and I roll down and release the leg. Now lift, roll down to the back leg. Lift, roll down to the back leg. Lift, roll down to the back leg. Lift, I'm going to roll down and release to change. All right. So the last step to change, you still have to complete the undulation. So you need to balance yourself on the standing leg, which is the front one, and release the leg. All right. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.